Good morning, good morning. Anong meron tayo ngayon? Ito nga pala yung patola na binili ko sa supermarket. Yung pangit na matigas na mukha ng magulang. Sabi nga nung kabayan, bakit daw binili namin ito yung pangit? Hindi niya alam ang purpose. Ayan, tingnan nyo, gulang na oh. Nagbubunot-bunot na yung loob at saka ayan oh. Tingnan nyo yung seeds. Palagay natin. Kukuha, purpose nito, kolektahan ko ng seeds. Pagulangin natin pa hanggang sa mag-mature yung seeds. And then let's see. Wala akong mabili kasi sa online na patola na mura lang, mahal. Tapos natin makapagtanim tayo ng patola. We'll see. Let's also sow onion seeds. Let's see how onion seeds look like. Wow, look at that black. Let's put some. Then when this sprouts, we'll let it grow for some few inches high, and then we will transplant this one by one, as we have seen in YouTube. Okay. Let's see if we can grow onion from seeds. We had already successfully grown onion from sprouted old bulb. Look at these onions. This is the one we had bought from the grocery, and it sprouted, and now we planted it here. But look at them, they are now bunching. So what have we learned from YouTube? That it is not good for them to allow this to grow like this. See, they are now having three shoots growth. So what we should do is we should separate them so that they will be allowed to grow as a separate onion bulb. We have to cut this to avoid damaging it. But that's the objective. Must be made separate like this and plant it separately. Actually it's now 4. I got 4. Make sure that you cut them separate from the bottom bulb so that they will have their own roots. I should have a knife instead of the scissor. Anyway, we're here already. See, that's it. I don't know if this will grow, but we'll try. And we'll put it here. Let's see if they will grow separately. This so much learning is happening. We'll put one like that, and another, and another. Finally, the fourth one, and then we will see the progress, if they will grow as a separate onion bulb. That's it. We still have more. See, we still have more to separate. Sad thing is my smartphone is now, battery is now dying out, so we'll just continue without taking video. And then ito naman yung ating, kita nyo yan, ang palaya na mga seeds na na-harvest natin doon sa ating, na-collect natin yung mga seeds doon sa ating unang harvest na tanim na ampalaya. Ayan, pina-sprout ko sila rito, nag-i-sprout na, diba? Yan o, nice, success. Second generation ng ating ampalaya, pantanim na tayo. Yan o. Aha, dami-dami. nagsigisingan na. So gagawin natin ngayon dito, ita-transplant natin sa separate, paghiwa-hiwalay na natin yan para makapag-grow, kasi pag pinabayaan natin yan dyan, siksikan na naman. So ito, kuha tayo ng mga empty na pot, mga pinaglumaan na yan. Lagyan natin ang ating potting mix. Right, potting mix. Konti lang, huwag masyadong siksikin. We'll put potting mix here in our used small pots, and then we will put the sprouted ampalaya seeds. Do it like that. Right. Be careful. Let's put 2 per pot for insurance. So maybe we'll select later on the good one and let it grow alone. For now, we'll put 2. Then we'll just put a little cover, and then that should be good. Later we will water it. Then now we have to transfer others as well. Maybe I'm thinking we'll get 5 or 6 of this for our second generation ampalaya. Tapos update ng ating pagtatanim sa desierto dito sa UAE. Anong ba dyan? Kala nyo gabi pa. No, umaga na. Yan yung mga school bus, nanunundo na yan. Nagsusundo na ng mga estudyante. So yun na nga, status update ng ating mga tanim base sa ating obserbasyon at pag-aaral. Mabagal ang progress ng growth ng mga halaman pag malamig ang panahon, winter season. Ang temperature ngayon halos umaabot sa 13 degrees. Nakarang araw 13 degrees, umabot pa nga ng 12, lalo na siguro sa matataas na lugar, halos magsi-zero na. So dahil nga sa lamig at sa winter, palagay nyo ng oras na 6:20 na ng umaga, pero ang dilim-dilim pa, bukas pa mga ilaw. Kasi nga pag winter, mahaba ang gabi, halos mga alas 7 pa sisikat ang araw, and then lulubog yan mga before 6. So haba ng gabi, ang halaman ganun din, malamig, madilim, mostly tutulog, progress mabagal. Mga prutas gaya nitong talong, observe ko, bagal ang growth. Ang bunga, may bunga, hindi naman lumalaki. Slow, para silang nasa state of animation, hibernation. Ganun. Part of learning experience. Ang pagtatanim sa desierto sa Middle East. Good morning, magandang buhay sa inyong lahat. Happy Tuesday morning.